favorite country. We're in Dominican Republic. We're in Punta Cana. I'm staying at the Royalton Splash Autograph All Inclusive. And I'm on this little, what you call it? I don't know, give us a little ride from place to place. And as I'm riding, I'm filming. They have little bus stops they pick people up at and take them around. So we're gonna go for a little ride. Good thing about this resort, you get 2 in 1. They have the Royalton Punta Cana and they have the Royalton Punta Cana Splash. We're gonna see what's to it. It's my first time being right here, so I'm seeing it fresh like you guys. You just don't roll the outskirts. This is a big resort. Like I said, there's 2 of them. You got the escape. I guess it's when they have parties and things. For the shows, for entertainment, right here. So I'll probably be out here later on tonight to come out here and check it out.
Pirata del Caribe.
Bar.
Charlie doesn't come in 2 minutes. Charlie doesn't come in 3 minutes. You better not walk.
Yeah, we got the Waterpark. And I'm staying right across from the Waterpark. This little area right here. Just have a water. Matter of fact, staying in this area right here. My room is over in this room is in that building. We made it to this resort. Let's get a look around. Let me get a look around at this resort here. This one out the beachfront, but of course, no matter which resort I'm staying in, we all have access to either one. cigar room. This side has stores. Got the duty-free stores going on. There's some upstairs as well.
When you see in front of the store and you turn to the right and you just go straight.
Oh, it's a theater.
Yeah.
A magic show.
And we got the casino, we got the nightclub, we got the theater, we got the school bar right here.
Okay.
And you can get food inside. We got the bar, Infinity Bar. You can get drinks there. You can play casino. We got the ATM in the same place.
Okay. It's all,
We got a lot of
it's all inclusive.
If you want to take a look, let's go. Take a look.
Let's look.
You are alone right here?
Huh?
You are alone?
I'm alone, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm a YouTuber. I
you
travel
are
around the world alone.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice. But you from America?
I'm from America.
Nice. I feel it.
But I've been traveling
You've been anywhere?
for the last few years. I've been traveling.
Okay.
I've been here 7 times.
Oh, nice.
and coming back.
Yeah. And then when you leaving?
Leave the
You
weekend,
are
next
for a week?
weekend,
You are
yeah.
for a week?
Just for a week.
What's your name?
My name is Ricardo.
Ricardo. My name is Bernardo.
All right. Nice to meet you.
This is the storage. The storage. We got the gym right here.
Got the gym.
This is the gym in the corner.
Okay.
And we got an elevator right there where you
Let me
see
go
two
look.
person
This what's there? What are the two people waiting there?
elevator.
What is it called?
Elevator, like the ascensor.
Oh,
You know.
the elevator.
Put on
Okay.
his bag, or I don't know. This is the gym.
Okay. They got the gym.
And then this is the
They had an elevator here.
elevator.
Yeah, they got the elevator here. They don't got the elevator on the other one. You got the gym here.
Got a gym here. And we got cigar room, library, stories, like photo room.
Okay, the photo room to print our photos.
Which way? Is it text?
They got some of the high-end stores, the little cologne, perfumes,
Perfume, everything, rings, necklaces.
Ray-Ban glasses.
And then this is the sports bar. When you come back, you're gonna see.
Okay.
This is the casino open at 7.
Okay, the casino open at 7. I was wondering if they have a nightclub. It open?
2 in the morning.
Oh, okay.
Right here. This is the toilet for the men, for the girls. This
Oh,
is
they
the
have
ATM.
Got the ATM.
Upstairs, the lobby or to the Diamond Club.
Okay.
Upstairs, this is the theater.
You have a full theater.
Yeah.
Oh,
We
wow.
got this upstairs, downstairs, and we got the bar right here.
And they got the bar. And what time the show tonight at 9?
So tonight gonna be magic show at 9.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll be here.
For sure. And then we got like 6 restaurants right here.
You got 6 restaurants in here?
Right here. We got the Japanese, we got the buffet, and we got the hunter, and we got Italian, we got Chinese, and then we got like Dorado.
How early in advance you got to make reservations?
24 hours before.
And you can make it from either Royal Splash and here, right?
Yeah, but it's hard on the map, on the application.
Yeah.
But if you go personally, like you want to like you come to the restaurant and you talk to the person physically.
Yeah.
It might be better. For you.
Oh, okay.
This is the Infinity Bar.
Oh, okay. Infinity.
This is the coffee shop right here. It's a nice going bar. Coffee shop. And this is the sports bar.
Okay, they got the sports bar going. And all this is all inclusive?
No, it's all inclusive. You can come. You can have here. You can stay here to have food, anything.
Oh, okay. That's the one.
Yeah.
Vibe. That's the vibe.
And this is the Infinity Bar.
And you got the Infinity Bar.
And the restaurant.
Like the Infinity Bar,
And this is the place, like
the lounge.
the Infinity Room right here.
Hey, this the resort right here.
For sure.
Yeah.
Right here, behind, down right there is anything.
Yeah, this
Anything.
this is the one.
If you don't come right here, hello, how you doing? Good. Hello, how are you? I just asked for you. She's fine. I appreciate you.
Where you ladies from, if you don't mind me asking?
England.
England. Okay, nice.
Shout out to the family members, Royalton Punta Cana in the building.
sure.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Michael Jackson show. This is the buffet.
Okay, and it's the buffet.
No, this is the Zen. And the buffet style right here.
Uh-huh.
And down right here, and then we got the Hunter.
And they got the restaurant.
Hunter right there.
Okay.
Yeah. And then, yeah. And then at the beach, we got the other three one. We got this is the square.
Uh-huh.
When we don't have it busy, we got like we have showing it right here, and then we dance all the time. And then we got right there, we got other three so and then the beaches.
Okay. Man, I appreciate it. What's your name again?
My name is Bernard.
Ricardo Bernard.
Yeah, no problem.
I'm gonna go check it out. And
You can go anytime you need any information. I'm here.
okay.
My name is Bernard.
I got you, Bernard.
Anything you need.
Anything. All right. Okay, I got you, Bernard. Come on, guys. We're going to go out here and just see how it look towards the beach. You're not finna go on the beach because it's getting kind of late right now, but we're going to look and see how it look out here and what's over here, the other area. Okay, yeah, this the resort. This the resort, the one with the swim out rooms and stuff like that. Hola. Pool on this side. This pool bar. Okay, this pool bar. Let's go check out the other restaurant. The Beachfront. Go see this other restaurant up there. craze traditional. Oh, Tectoria. Is that crazy? That's crazy. Restaurants, Sand Beach Bar. See, this is the area where all the bars at. Where I'm at, I think they only got like 2 pool bars, and you got a couple of bars there. A couple of bars there, but not that many restaurants and stuff. You know I'm gonna make me a reservation for the seafood grill. Most definitely. Just go look out here and see to it. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Tell a friend, subscribe if you like. And at the next video, I'll see y'all.